second chance to Cupid, but now I'm left up feeling stupid. All the way he makes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dustin and today's video is going to be my updated daily makeup routine. So if you want to see how I got this look and get ready with me, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm first gonna go in and apply some SPF. And next I'm gonna go ahead and prime with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dew Drops. So for foundation today, I'm gonna go in with the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation, and I am in the shade L4. I'll have the name in the corner because I'm not about to pronounce that. And then for the application, I'm gonna be going in with a cushion puff for right now. This one's from Clio, and this is currently one of my favorite methods to applying foundation. So you're probably wondering why my routine has switched to a lot of hydrating products. Well, that's like if you keep up with my makeup videos. So from my glow up video, you guys know that I had a really bad breakout because of a setting spray that I was using, and it broke me out really bad, and my skin barrier was very damaged. So I'm currently on tretinoin. I get my tretinoin from Curology, and it dries out my skin really bad. So I have became a dried skin girly. But going from that switch to like oily to dry, I had to switch out a lot of products. And even though I have acne, I still don't really like full coverage foundations. I don't know. It was also why I took a while to upload another makeup video, like a full depth makeup video, because I was like insecure about my acne, but you know, we're here. I've also like deep dived into like understanding my undertones. So I've come to the conclusion that I am pretty much cool toned, and I feel like cool tone styled makeup looked a lot better on me than warm tone. It's just like I have a lot of redness in my face, so that's why like when I cover up my redness with like a cool toned foundation or anything, it just looks a little off, but I promise you I am cool toned. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I use a puff to blend in my foundation. If you are the same like me where you are now really dry, or if it's like really drying, because when I first used the NARS Reflecting Foundation, I had thought that I wasn't gonna like it because it was flaking on me and clinging onto my dry patches, but then I soon realized that it was the tool that I was using to blend it in with. So I initially blended it in with a beauty blender. Afterwards, I decided, let me give it a shot with my puff, and that solved the problem. And it was the puff the whole entire time. I do still like using a beauty blender to blend in my concealer right here, but right now I'm just kind of blending it out like briefly to keep that coverage. And then I'm gonna go in with the beauty blender to really just blend it in more. Now going in with a puff and some powder, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my under eye. Also, I know I kind of look like really crazy right now, but trust me, my makeup is always trust the process. The color looks so off right now, but that's because I have warm lighting in the back. And I do normally go like a shade up to brighten my face because my face is surprisingly brighter than my body. But also because of SPF and I use a new sunscreen, it looks kind of crazy right now. But you know what? Again, trust the process. And I'm going to contour my nose. But, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and contour my jaw. Do you guys like my Miffy clips? I got them while I was in Japan. I think they're really cute. Do you guys think I should get lip filler? I don't know. I feel like my lips are like kind of like they don't match my face, and I overline them quite a bit. But if I got lip filler, what do you think? Anyways, onto the eyes. So I'm first gonna go in with a light nude brown shade. I'm first gonna pack it on with a more dense brush. And then taking a fluffy brush, I'm just going to feather it out. So this daily look, I'm pretty much just layering a lot of like brown shades to make a cohesive look. And then I'm also gonna take that shade and bring it on the lower lash line as well. Next, taking the same brush, I'm just gonna go in with a little darker brown, and then I'm just gonna apply it only to 1/3 of my eyelid, but focusing it on more so the outer corner area. Next, going in with a deeper, darker brown, I'm gonna apply it a little bit up here and then mostly focusing the rest on my lower lash line. I'm also taking a really dark, deep brown to do like this wing right here. I've always had a dark shadow on the outer corners, but I never flicked it up and wing it out. I always used to like bring it all the way up here and it would close my eyelids, but I feel like this helps elongate it more, and it's kind of like eyeliner, but it's just, instead of it being the top, I do it at the bottom. And then going in with the third brown shade that we use, I'm gonna go ahead and draw in my ʔSocials. Okay, and then I'm taking the shimmer shade. I always like going with like a light glitter on my finger. I feel like I've entered like my glitter era, like the start of this year. I used to not wear glitter on the eyelid unless it was like for a special event, but I don't know. I feel like these type of glitters are just really good for daily wear, I guess. And it just looks so pretty. I'm also taking the glitter on a brush, a pointer brush, and I'm just gonna apply it on my inner corner as well. Next, I'm taking a pencil liner and I'm just gonna line the 1/3 of my inner corner. Oh my goodness. Okay, I added my fake mole under my eye. Just gonna go in with my NYX Bear With Me setting spray. I'm just gonna melt all the powders together. I'm next gonna set my eyebrows with the Clio Color Brow Lacquer. Next gonna line my lips with NYX Slim Lip Pencil in Peekaboo Neutral. Okay, and then for lips, I'm also going in with the Flower Nose Strawberry Cocoa Lip Tint, and this is in the shade 04. If you like a matte lip that isn't as drying and blurs your lip, I highly recommend this product. Looking at the mirror, I kind of want to add a gloss. I don't know, I kind of want to add one. I'm gonna add one. Also, Flower Nose. I swear this video isn't sponsored. I just genuinely really like this brand. And I'm telling you, their packaging is so good. But this is from their most recent collection, which is their Midnight Mermaid collection. This gloss is in the shade GE04 as well. Okay, last step, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm going to highlight the inner portions of my face. I feel like this helps brighten up my face, as well as define the nose contour. It also brings this portion of my face like kind of forward. And that's pretty much it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you like me, don't forget to follow me on all my socials at ʔSocials, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!